Silver, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can look for trade. As we can see, based on 1 hour chart, we have been within this move. And right now, we want to see how high it can go, whether the price can retest the previous top, the highest price of this flat or not. Okay. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have based on daily chart. As we can see, based on daily chart, almost we are at the top of this uh, move, whether we call it this biggest, the correction in the bigger picture. And right now we're looking at this part. We want to see whether we can look for continuation and the price can retest the previous top, which is the 30, after the breakout of the highest price within this move or not. Okay, because if we move to forward chart, we have been looking at this one as a flat, as a 1, 2, 3. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was out within this move, I was keep highlighting, if we want to look for trade, let the price give us one more drop. And exactly this is what we get. That's why I mentioned we want to get one more drop with the breakout of the lowest price of this correction. Then from there, we can look for buy. Okay, but after that I didn't have any update, and as we can see the price move a bit higher. That's why I mentioned I'm not looking for buy, we're looking for sell. The price drop and we get as a 1, 2, 3. This is the bigger picture we get. No one see whether this one can continue and retest the highest price of this one, the this flat, this one, which is 28.7 or not. Okay, anyway, if you refer to our analysis, I was keep highlighting the price have to drop because we have been looking for the flat as a 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the first thing is we want to see whether the price can retest 28.7, or in the bigger picture we're looking at this one. After the break, if the price can break 28.7, then we're looking for 30. Okay, that's why whoever get the trade based on 1 hour chart, they should have the proper management. When the market open, at least move their stop loss to break even. And right now we cannot say whether we can look for buy or not. The only thing is we have to wait and see if we get a flag or correction similar to what we have here. Maybe we can look for the next trade. But right now, the only thing is we want to see the price, and we're expecting after the breakout of the previous top, this is 28.7. This is what we're looking for. Okay. And this is the only things I can give an update, because rather than that, we don't have anything to discuss. This is the reasons why sometimes you have to wait for the flat. Because again, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned with the breakout of this top when the price was within this, we mentioned even we can expect the price move higher, but we can expect the price to drop, because I wasn't mentioning this one is a correction in relative to this. And we need to get one more drop. And this is exactly what we get. All right, and I mentioned after the breakout of the lowest price of this correction, then any reversal we can look for buy, and this is what we get. And right now the only thing is we want to see the continuation, and we want to see whether the price can retest the 28.7. With the breakout of the 28.7, we're looking for the next one, which is 30. Okay, but it doesn't mean the price can continue as a sharp move. For sure we get some correction, but how to look for the next trade right now we cannot confirm. The only thing is if anyone get the trade within this move, they should start to manage, at least book some profit. And whoever get the trade from here, they can move their stop loss to break even. And whoever get the trade from here, at least book profit, some move their stop loss somewhere below this correction. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade set up, and the only thing says we're looking for, we want to see whether we can the price can break 28.7 or not. In this case, we just follow the chart when the market open. If I see any update or any trade setup, I will share. Thanks.